There's a little light coming from the corner of the, what would you call that little cubicle that you're in?
This is my chart table.
Chart table cubicle?
Yeah.
Magnus has got the tools out again, but it looks like they're electrical this time. I'm not quite sure.
Yeah, just about to wire in our Wi-Fi antenna. It's up on the mast, and hook that all in so that we can get better internet when we're in town. Yeah, just finding out where all the wiring is. So I'll get that sorted, and then we'll climb up the mast, do a reset, and life should be good.
Yeah, I've got to belay Magnus on the mast, which is a bit of a scary idea, but
that's all right. I'll trust you.
I just don't want to drop him to the ground. We'll see how that goes.
Oh, this is sort of where they chopped all the wires when they stole everything. That wire finished there, that wire finished there.
Just chip chop.
Yeah, so I've temporarily put in the VHF antenna until I can get some proper cable. But I'm now going to splice in the Wi-Fi lead. So that'll all be good in about an hour, I hope.
And look what I found. A handy hook. I'm about to hoist Magnus up the mast. No idea what I'm doing. I hope I don't kill him. I think I'm just on belay, and I have done abseiling, so I sort of know what that is. I've never seen this done, but he's got to go up there to reset the thingo. So I've had my instructions. I've got to pull this up to keep the slack out of that. Tie that around there once. And hold on to that all times. So they're the instructions. Magnus is putting his working boots on.
Well, it's easier to climb the mast with your shoes on.
And luckily, we've got little steps. So that will make it a bit easier, I'm sure. A lot easier, I would have thought. Look how beautiful it is in the marina this morning. So it's like a mill pond. Over there is that stunning restaurant that we've been going to, which costs very little. And they do weddings there. It's very peaceful. You're taking this, aren't you?
More? Right. Down a little bit. Thank you. So here we are at the top of the mast. I'll give you a gecko what it looks like. There's Wendy. There's Nutshell. The neighbours. I'm shaking like a leaf. I don't like being up here. I'm good with heights. And that's our antenna that we're trying to sort out.
Yeah, it's quite high, isn't it?
Oh, I hate heights, you know what I mean?
I know.
Hate heights.
Yeah. Halyard? On Halyard.
Thank you.
So, what's it looking like up there?
Well, I reset the Wi-Fi router.
Yep.
So we'll see how we go.
And I noticed you put another, dare I say it, rope up there. What does that now become?
The hoisting line.
Now that it's attached to the boat, it has a name, doesn't it?
Flag pole rope up thing.
Okay. So we can fly.
We can fly some non-official flags.
Yeah. So that'd be nice. Well done, babe.
Oh,
You did well. I think I did well too.
you did very well.
Because you're still alive.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go me. Magnus, what is that?
That is our access point. That's connected via a PoE and Cat5 cable up to the top of the mast where there's a router, wireless receiving router, and that sends the signal back down to the access point, and the access point distributes it wirelessly to whatever device is connected. That's it. So we're going to connect it all up now and see if it works.
These birds hang around quite a bit. I'm not quite sure what attracts them.
Frigate birds, are they? No, they're vultures.
Are they vultures? Oh, that's spooky.
The divers up there, they thought, oh, here's a chance for a feed.
What do you need?
A beer, a whiskey and a strong coffee. Not generally in that order or anything, just...
Whatever,
man.
Why?
That was spooky.
Oh. Okay.
Right, let's see if it works.
Yeah. Oh no, you're kidding me. No way. So you have to go back up.
Let's see if we can log in. Ready? I'm going to do the happy dance.
Is it working?
Yeah, baby.
Really?
Yeah.
So 4 weeks of trying to upload videos.
We've got signal strength. We've got... Yeah, look at that. I managed to log into our thing up the mast. My climb up the... I've got my headlight on. My climb up the mast was worth it. We are hooked into that. Now I've just got to get that to talk to the rest of the world. So I managed to get my laptop to talk to the router. I managed to get the router to talk to the doofree. And now I'm just going to get the doofree to talk to the rest of the world. So we're that close to being able to send you another episode.
Da, da, da.
Of Life in a Nutshell. Right, link setup. Let's follow some instructions. Doesn't look like that at all.
Magnus is going to move the boat, across the pen?
Just over to that side so I can wash it
To this side, so we can scrub the other side of the boat before we get hauled out tomorrow. And then everything will be a bit high. Off we go. Get the tow. Change of scene. Wow, it's going fast. Is the back still tied on? Yeah. It's very clever. I love it. Hello. There you go, that's how you do it. Bit of help. Sweet. Now Peanut's in place. Well, it's lifting day and we've just been over to the lift to watch another yacht coming out, so we've got some idea of how it works. Well, Magnus knows how it works, but how they do it. Yeah, we're next up and then we're going on the hard for a month. Gonna get lots of work done, get Nutshell's bottom cleaned, put the transducer in and quite a few other jobs. So yeah, it's an exciting morning. Lift's over there, that's where we're going. It's quite windy. There's the lift. All the boys give us a hand. Just turning around, going in reverse. There we go. We're in. Bit windy. I think we're so dirty on the bottom that he's got to scrape a clear patch. Is that right? He's got to scrape a clear patch.
Yeah, you got to clear a patch for the swing.
Yes, how's it going?
Yeah?
How's your heart?
Fine now.
That is a scraper.
What's that?
Look at that. Weighs about a ton. Oh, that was a bit freaky. A few growths on there. Oh, nice and quiet now.
The good thing about the external rudder is if your steering gear fails, yes, you've still got something.
Magnus cleaned a bit of the woodwork before we took her out, while we had the opportunity. First time we've had a hose and fresh water on her since we bought it. We've been invited over to another boat for dinner, so I'm taking something. We couldn't get to the shops, so I thought, what on earth can I make at the last minute? So I've made like a sort of focaccia garlic bread thing, then went to put it in the oven and the oven just about exploded, so I had to do it in the pan. So it's not too bad for done in a pan. I'm quite pleased with that. I'm making another one too. Sun-dried tomato, olives and garlic. We are checking into a hotel. We're going to stay here for We're going to stay here for a month. We've just been on Rob's boat for dinner with a few other cruisers, and now we're in the little town that's just down the road. And how many of us got in the taxi? Six in the taxi with the
plus
driver.
the driver. They kicked us out of the marina because you're not allowed to sleep there. So we came into this little town and we walked down the side streets and we found this joint called the Pink Pearl. Everything's pink.
Yeah.
And we bargained the fella down for a room.
Yeah.
We got it down to $8 a night. And he said, you can't move in until I've cleaned it. So it's about 2 o'clock in the morning now, and he's just gone to clean it. We're pretty tired, we had a big day.
Yeah, boat came out today.
Yeah, we lifted Nutty out of the water.
Oh, got a bit of hair going. Yeah, that's nice.
It's nice hair. Yeah, we lifted her out of the water, and she looks alright, eh?
Mm.
Yeah.
Good.
I shook the prop and the cutlass bearing feels fine. I shook the rudder and the rudder pivots feel fine. It's even got a bit of zinc left.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah. There are no blisters at all, no osmosis. Still a few barnacles. But no, generally she's looking pretty schmick. So tomorrow they're going to pressure clean her in the morning. Then we'll start, once that's dry, we'll get the old sander out and take all the ablative anti-foul off.
Yeah.
And we're hoping to whack a hard coat on, like not a hard epoxy, but we're hoping to get back to basics and put on a vinyl anti-foul. And then over the vinyl we might whack some ablative, we'll see how we go. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's been a long day.
It has.
Yeah.
It's been a very long day.
We've just been out for a lovely dinner tonight with Rob, and I'm hopeless with names. And a couple other cruises, a
Yeah,
Swedish
it's good.
couple and a Kiwi couple. Yeah, it's been a long day and a great night, and had a couple of beers. Found this lovely beer called Negro.
Mexican beer.
Negro. It's a
You might have to do a review on that then.
Yeah, it's a Mexican dark ale. It's essentially a beer flavoured water that's dark. Yeah. So nothing.
But it's decent on the beer flavoured water scale.
Yeah.
We could do a beer flavoured water beer review.
Yeah, we'll have to have a new
have to
scale
start
for
doing
that.
those.
But that's just me gas bagging now.
Yeah, I
so-
know, you're waffling.
I know.
Really waffling.
That's because it's 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
And, all I want to do is get to bed after a big day. We had a long trek here. There were 7 of us in the cab. Tiny little Datsun. Yeah. So anyway,
Okay.
catch you. See you tomorrow.
Ciao.
Ciao.